Hello, welcome to my channel 5 Minute DIY Home Decor. So today I have amazing idea about bathroom tiles decoration. So some ideas about bathroom tiles. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Picking out tiles for your bathroom remodeling project isn't so simple anymore. There is so much variety in design, shape, color, and texture that can be overwhelming. A few years ago, tiles were mostly laid down for their functional, beneficial, resistance to water, durability, low maintenance. But today, their aesthetic impact is just as important as their function. So is why manufacturers have expanded their selection to provide really unique style for homeowners. With advice from our expert, we have identified the top bathroom tile trend. You should be on the lookout for the focus on finish, color, shape, and pattern. So first idea is graphic tiles pattern. So whether it's on the floor or the walls, it's the perfect accent tiles in any room. Either is soft, subtle hue or bold, contrasting colors that intricate pattern available for the style will lure you in and capture your heart. Trend in number one on our list because it's going to be, or should I say, it already is huge. Pattern tiles will continue to expand in popularity. From subway tiles to ceramic, it's safe to say that graphic pattern tiles can be anywhere and everywhere, especially your bathroom. The style really give homeowners the chance to tap into their creative side or hire a designer to get creative for them. So right now we are mostly seeing acoustic ceramic tiles being a popular choice for those with the pattern tiles. However, a porcelain style are coming out with same things. Expect to see any era of bold paint and color over tiles the year. Another idea about moreover closely tiles metal finish are here to say the charcoal gray metal tiles look stylish in contemporary bathroom. The popularity of metal finish tile follow into the new year. The features are soft but powerful beauty style that doesn't got too overwhelming. An advantage of metal tiles is that they not show smooth and watermark as easily as glossy tiles, makes them ideal for the bathroom floor, especially in busy bathroom. The low shine makes them easier to maintain when installing metal finish tiles. Make sure there is enough lighting, both natural and artificial, is the tiles are not known for reflecting light. So these tile ideas you will apply on your bathroom, so looking so beautiful. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel, watch my other video in playlist. Thank you so much.